I'm back. About Rachel.
We need to find out more about who Rachel was involved with around here. She was able to blend in with everybody, even with people I hated. And even though I don't know her, it feels like Rachel is guiding us to the truth. Fuck the truth. I just want to find my friend right now. It scares me to think where she could be. Do you think she's
Kicking it alive?
alive? I have to think that, Chloe. Her spirit is so powerful here. Maybe too much power. Max, we have to find Rachel soon. We have to. I promise you we will. Like you said, it's time to start the search for clues. Now tell me what's your secret. Drum roll, please. I present the spare keys to Blackwell. Thank you, Step Frick. You are such a boss, Chloe. I just don't want you to get into any more trouble. Look at all the trouble dropping in Arcadia Bay. At this point, who gives a fuck anymore? We're in it to win it, Max. Lead the way. I'm so glad you're my partner in crime. As long as you're my partner in crime. Insert room here.
Insert room here. Teacher, come and dive.
Hopefully the rest of the class will follow your lead. Sorry, I was distracted, as you know. It's not been a good day for Blackwell.
I know this has been an awful day, and you can talk to me anytime, Mr. Jefferson.
Thank you, Victoria. I'm glad it had a relatively happy ending.
I don't know what I would have done if Katie jumped.
Katie? I had no idea you two were that close. Did she?
How does this affect the Everyday Heroes contest?
It doesn't. The contest is still a go, and I still have to pick the winner to best represent Blackwell. I've got all the photos, except one from Max.
I'll give you a one-word sneak preview of Max's photo. Selfie. Listen, you've seen my entry. You know it's better than that. Wouldn't that be so cool to hang out together in San Francisco March?
Stick to Mr. Jefferson, Victoria, please. And, I haven't picked the winner yet.
You already love my work, so it's not like you're playing favorite. Just imagine if you picked my photo, though. We would have to spend a lot of time together. That could be fun, don't you think?
I'm going to think that you didn't say any of that.
You might as well choose me. Otherwise, I might have to tell people you offered to choose my photo as a favor.
As a favor to your future, I'll also ignore that undisguised threat. This conversation is officially over, Miss Chase. I suggest you go back to your dorm.
Wait!
Yeah.
I only...
Go back to your dorm, or I'm not choosing yours.
Are you kidding me?
I personally do not care.
So... Just when I think Victoria can't get any more evil. She's about to get real with Blackwell. Let's go find out.
It's incorrectly put together. Go big boots, go big feet.
I don't know about this. We're both already in so much trouble. Not to mention the weed you brought into my room.
Aim at the mirrors.
We're not kids anymore.
Yeah.
Breaking and entering. If I have a key, how can it be breaking?
There you go.
Charge us for...
Plus, you don't even need to do that.
I'm serious. We could go to jail. Not if I'm related to the head of Blackwell Security. Stepshit will not want me in the hands of the local police. So we better find out what's in the principal's office first. You can rewind if we get caught, right? You have mad powers, Max. But my powers didn't save Kate. Maybe I did on my own.
Oh no, your powers did help. A lot.
You heard Sonic, they didn't.
What?
He said, no!
Good.
He said that, no. They didn't.
They did.
Fuck? The security officer should have the key to the principal's office. He's hiding shit, like everybody here. Well, now we definitely have to get this door open. Believe it or not, I know a little about lockpicking. Thanks to training. I might as well test out my thief.
You're not dealing with Sonic Adventure.
Go for it.
And it's not shit.
Well, you could look for the key. In case. Why, yes, I could.
Draw. Search.
Desolation.
Nothing.
Nothing to see here.
Nope.
Scrolls like that. Does that mean Samuel is... No.
Let's not go along for that one, shall we? There should be like drawers here. Looking. No? Okay. I think there might only be one key to the principal office, don't you think, Chloe?
Boring.
Files. Nope.
Dead end. No key for thee. We have to find another way in. Guess I didn't spend enough time with Frank. But I'll use my DIY lockpick tools while you come up with better plans. My plan has a name.
My plan has a name.
That is.
Hey, Warren. You big...
Warren.
Just bubble her. You'll be okay. Listen, I need your physics expertise stat. Without naming names, if somebody had access to the art and science labs and wanted to construct a device that would, say, open a locked door, would you maybe kind of know how? Huh? No, I'm just asking for fun. Thanks, science guy. No. Stay. We need you as backup. Just send the text instructions now. I'm sorry, I'm just not sure about a movie night right now. Don't hate me, and thanks for the help. Ass! Goddamn door. Try not to wake up everybody at Blackwell. Sorry, Max. I got nothing. What about your plan?
Yeah. Sugar, soda can,
I'm gonna go
duct
connect
tape,
together.
and
Can you stay
sodium
here and not get
chloride.
Alright.
I might get on the other side of that door before you, Lupin. The race is on. See you soon.
I can control time. You have already lost. Okay. Kaboom boom. The question is sodium chloride. What is this loud? Chlorine dioxide. Shit. Everybody knows that. So you're really gonna try this? Keyword is try. I bow to your wisdom.
So look again.
Okay. Sugar, soda can, duct tape, and sodium chloride. Don't knock the camera, dude.
I only did that.
Which is knocking the camera. Here's how you do it. There. I'm gonna have it like that. Private number.
Oh, yeah,
Some of us will be exterminated. Watch out. Oh, hi. Hi there. Nathan.
Warren is
How
such a
are you?
classic nerd. Let's see if I can find those items.
Vending machine. Use.
Release the crackhead.
Take.
So mine anyway.
Okay, so I got soda can.
3 more items to go.
I need sugar.
Duct tape.
Oh, wait. There's a sugar machine.
What?
There was a sugar machine thing, isn't there? That's not the sugar machine. Where would you hide a sugar machine?
Why would you even have a sugar machine?
I don't know.
What, like, hand your back the sugar?
There's like drops like sugar playing out down onto the floor. Poster. I'm looking for posters on like sugar. Hates locker.
Oh, look. Jimmy's locker off
So
the
glad
wall.
you still have your locker key.
The missing person poster is Rachel.
Hey.
Open. Is
Wait.
there chemistry
Chemistry.
stuff? Weed killer. I don't want weed killer.
Chemistry stuff. Look through.
You're an artist, damn it, not a scientist. But this is so not sodium chloride.
Science
Ooh,
book.
science book. Orange.
So sodium chloride is a weed killer. You'd think Warren would have told me that factoid.
Okay, turn around. Get that weed killer. killer.
Right.
Could have told us that earlier.
Could have told us that. What's
Here's
this?
the sodium chloride box.
Take.
Like,
You know you're clumsy, Max. Don't waste your rewind power. Use the damn chair.
What's the fucking chair just there? Is it? And why doesn't that make any noise?
because we're
Halfway
hearing
home, Max.
on the other side a smoking skeleton. This is Papyrus in Underswap.
Histogramma.
Oh, I got something more. Are
Still
you
there?
still there? Did you
Are
blow up?
you
Max?
still there? Did you blow
Oh
up?
yeah, didn't blow up yet. I need to concentrate now. Talk to you later. Actually know what that means.
GTYL.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Warren. Where's Warren? There's Warren. Ow. Okay, so I need duct tape and sugar.
Sugar.
The fuck do I find duct tape?
Door. Coming through this door.
Yo.
It's like a scene in a horror film.
Yeah, it is. All these upturned chairs. And now you might need duct tape.
All you need is just corpses hanging off them. Cigarette
Cigarette
pack and, you know. Contest
Contest
pictures.
pictures.
I shan't be nosy. Photo. What's this?
I feel gross even looking at Nathan's work. But he does have some style.
Oh, shit. Does that mean Nathan's the winner?
Most likely.
Shit. Open?
I haven't watched Life is Strange for a long time, so I don't know who's the winner anymore.
Don't smoke, and yet there's a smoking skeleton in the science room.
And there's a cigarette pack.
We have, like, Underswap of pirates.
I hate that formalin smell.
Not the exam
Oh
file.
god, we're in
Sugar,
the...
sugar.
Sugar! This is the biology room.
Sugar.
Imagine if you accidentally just went. Whoops.
One more ingredient left.
Hey, this is the same room.
oh.
Science room.
Oh, this is the same freaking room. Graffiti.
Graffiti.
I never said they were great, troll.
Wow. I'm not even going to read that other one.
Selfers. Other one? What?
There's something stuck to the desk there. You don't want to read it. It has the words you don't like.
I'm not risk it.
Not even
piqued
for a
my
biscuit.
curiosity. And you have broke my curiosity. Where's that duct tape? Okay, so we can't go in there. Poster.
First Rachel and now Kate? This is the end of the Vortex Club.
There's not gonna be duct tape in the bathroom.
Oh. Imagine if in the trophy case there was duct tape. What?
Who puts duct tape in the trophy case to just like see it going
I thought
sleeping?
we used some tape in Jefferson's class last week.
Ah.
You have to go back to your classroom, which is right across from the smoking skull.
Run.
I probably should find those items now.
Yeah, shut
Yeah,
up.
I'm looking. I'm just not good at it. This kind of means I missed an entire thing in here.
Now check all the desks and check the teachers.
There's nothing there.
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes. Nothing. There's the graffiti.
Duct tape.
Oh. Oh.
The tape is
It was right there. We're gonna blow shit up next time.
Bye.
time to show Chloe
Next time.
Max